Howdy folks, today I'm going to show you how to get fit using just one of these. Now the majority of us want to get fit. We all have areas or weak points that we want to work on, be it aesthetically, be it strength wise, and let's face it, we all make the excuse that we don't have time. Let me show you a little top tip that I give to the majority of my clients to help you find time. To give you an example, sometimes I'll go through a first session with a client and they won't be able to do a plank for longer than say 10 seconds. Or they won't be able to hold a squat for a couple of seconds, or they can only do a couple of push-ups. Now kettle workouts work on the principle of frequency and intensity. So essentially, what you do, grab your kettle, get your coffee cup and everything ready. We're sitting at 7 o'clock on a Sunday morning. Flick the kettle on. Now, for the duration that kettle is boiling, I need to head down onto the floor, grab myself a mat, and drop into my weak point exercise. So today I'm going to choose a plank. So we get up into a plank, elbows slightly forward, contract your glutes, and we hold this for as long as we can while the kettle's boiling. If we have to drop, because we physically can't hold it any longer, we take 5 seconds, take a breath, get straight back up again. The key is to hold it for the longest amount of time that we can. So that's it, kettle's boiled, so what we get, and go and make our coffee. Like I said, this works in the terms of frequency, so you do it every single day, and then over the course of the week, I guarantee by the end of the week, you will have increased how many push-ups you can do, how long you can hold a plank for, and how many squats you can do. Give it a try yourself, guys. Kettle Workouts. Enjoy. Folks, thanks ever so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and found it informative. If that was the case, do feel free to share it with your friends by clicking just below where Polly's head is. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks very much.